Did you know that ASRock has an easy way to help you install AI applications on your own Linux platform? Say goodbye to spending hours installing apps. Thanks to ASRock's AI QuickSet installer, it's now super easy. And there's no monthly fees, no usage limits, and it keeps your data safe and secure. Hello, I'm Ann, and I'll walk you through the quick and easy process of installing ASRock AI QuickSet for Linux. You'll be able to see the difference in using the ASRock AMD Radeon RX 7000 series graphic cards in your very own PC. You can have faster results on the coolest AI apps. First, install ASRock AI QuickSet. To do so, download both the installation file and manual in the link provided in the video description. The manual is a step-by-step guide of the installation process. Once installed, you're all set to go, and you can launch your desired application. Let's begin with the Image Manga Translator. This powerful tool effortlessly translates images from one language to another, making manga, comics, and images accessible in your preferred language. With just a few clicks, you can generate a new image translation seamlessly, making language comprehension effortless. Now you can enjoy your manga, comics, and images in your preferred language, enhancing your cultural experience. Instant image translation ensures easier comprehension and accessibility, breaking language barriers. Next, we have two robust apps for image generation: Stable Diffusion CLI Diffusers and Stable Diffusion Web UI. These apps empower you to create captivating images, whether you're using the command line interface or the user-friendly web interface. Generate stunning images from scratch using text prompts, unleashing your creativity. Customize and refine your images, bringing your vision to life. Then you can upscale your creations to achieve professional-grade results, elevating your digital content. Moving forward, let's explore Text Generation Web UI Llama 2. This innovative tool allows you to generate text content, streamlining your writing process and sparking creativity. Generate engaging content with ease, fueling your creativity and productivity. Enhance your writing skills and elevate your content, making your ideas shine. With the Llama 2 model, it can also assist you in writing code for your website. Now let's dive into YOLO V8 CLI. This powerful tool enables you to recognize objects and uploaded images and videos quickly and accurately, providing valuable insights and enhancing your image analysis capabilities. Upload a video and detect objects instantly, streamlining your image analysis process. You can train or import a pre-made model to detect various objects, such as a keyboard, a plant, or maybe a book. Moving on to the next AI tool. Let's take a look at AudioCraft, which includes Audio Gen and Music Gen. Starting with Audio Gen, this powerful tool is designed to convert text prompts into realistic sound effects, bringing a new dimension to audio content creation. Maybe you're looking to enhance your videos with lifelike sound effects. With Audio Gen, you can bring your scenes to life by generating realistic environmental sounds based on text descriptions. Lastly, we have Music Gen. This innovative tool allows you to generate music compositions, inspiring creativity and exploration in the realm of music production. Generate unique music compositions with ease, sparking inspiration and creativity. Experiment with different musical types and genres, exploring new creative avenues. Transform your musical ideas into reality with advanced music generation algorithms. And there you have it. You're now equipped to leverage the power of ASRock AI QuickSet on your Linux system. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our community forum. We're here to support you on your AI journey. I'm Ann, and I'll see you next time.